Day 68, March 24th. It's a little foggy out. Just pulling into the Fullhardt Knob Shelter. I'm gonna eat some dinner. Nice place to sit down. Shelter don't look too bad. Has a picnic table and a little grill. So I'll sit down here and eat some flatbread and Spam. I know, you guys wish you could have some too, but you just can't have everything you want, so you know I enjoy it. Well, I got 6.2 miles to go to get to the Wilson Creek shelter. I think I'm going to stay the night there. This is what Spam and flatbread look like. Yeah, that's a heck of a sandwich. Also, when I was home, I left one base layer of clothes, pair of those socks. What do you call them? That control the swelling, compression socks. I left a pair of those, and the little fan fold seat that you set your butt on. Just cutting a little bit of weight, making a little bit of room. Stuff that I didn't use all the time, I decided I didn't need. Air mattress has been leaking. I sprayed soapy water on it, put it in the bathtub. I couldn't find where it was leaking. So I'm thinking maybe I had some kind of dirt in the valve, pine needle, something, I don't know. So I'm hoping my air mattress is going to be good for the next 3 weeks. Yeah, around April 15th, I still plan on going home to plant corn. Also went to Battery Bulbs Plus and had them put a new battery in my phone. This phone's an iPhone 8, 3 years old. At the end of the day, battery was about completely dead. So far the battery does seem to be a lot better. But this morning I was having trouble with my YouTube videos and all that. So I hope nothing else got messed up. So if something happens, I quit making YouTube videos, it might be because of my phone. When I go back to plant corn, I'm going to get another phone. I hate to get a brand new one and bring it out here and walk in all the rain and get the screen all cracked up when I fall. But that's probably what I'm going to do, just so I have a little more memory for my YouTube videos. Okay, also while I was home, I started all my tractors but one, and I didn't start the combine. I started both my motorcycles. Let everything run a little bit. I have a couple trickle chargers. I move them around on some stuff to keep the batteries all charged up. So I think that's all I can think of right now. I'm going to finish the Spam. Maybe a Rice Krispie. Get walking.